If phone is not ringing when people call, then how to fix this? For some people, this is a continuous issue. Whenever any call arrives, it doesn't ring. Or for some people, sometimes it doesn't ring when some people complain that the phone is not ringing. Then how to fix this? So I'll guide you 3 and 4 methods and your problem will be completely fixed. So first of all, check that the silent mode is on or not. If you have silent mode on, just push this up and silent mode will be off. Okay, and then just scroll down to control center and make sure the focus mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, turn off the focus mode. Okay, so these are the few checks before moving on to any method. Now the second method is just go to settings, this gear shaped icon settings, and scroll down and find apps. Okay, here it is, apps at the bottom, tap on it, and now scroll down and find phone. Okay, here it is, phone, tap on it, and now here just scroll down and find silence unknown callers, tap on it, and now just turn off the silence unknown callers. Okay, because what happens that the people who are not in your contacts, the ring will not be there. When they will call you, it will not ring. Now if this is not fixing your issue, let's move to the final fix, and that is just go to settings again, and this time go to screen time, tap on screen time, and scroll down and find communication limits, tap on it, and now just tap on it and make sure everyone is selected. Okay, if it is any other option, just select everyone. Okay, and scroll down during downtime and everyone. That's it, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.